Hello again, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. In today's video, we're going to look at my favorite tree, not just for small spaces, but in general. This is the Forest Pansy Redbud, Cercis canadensis. A wonderful tree because it has flowers in the spring, beautiful foliage in the summer, and fall color. It really does hit the triple crown of what I'm looking for in a tree, and it's great in tight spaces because it has a very compact root system. So here's a closer look at the Forest Pansy Redbud. That's all the time we have for today. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks so much for watching, and make sure you smash that like button and hit subscribe. Till next time, have a great time in your garden. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks again for watching.